Hi guys, I'm Daniela. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, make sure that you subscribe so you can be updated on my latest videos when I post. And if you are not new here, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me again. In today's video, I am doing a LUXY review. I've done a LUXY review on hair extensions in the past and I absolutely love my LUXY hair extensions. This time I'm actually gonna be trying the ponytail that they recently launched. It was on back order forever. As soon as they announced that they were available, I placed my order right away. So here it is. I'm excited to try it. I haven't tried it before. I did open it already, so but just in case you're curious of what the package looks like, this is it. And then inside it comes with, inside it comes with a hair like this. It gives you like a little sample here that you can test against your hair to see if this is the right color for you. And if it's not, you can send it back without breaking the seal. Once the seal is broken, you can't return it, you guys. So make sure that you test this little strand first. I also wanted to mention they did have like a little special when I ordered my kit. They threw in a free compact mirror. I gotta show you how cute this compact mirror is. Like this, and I love that it's so big, so it looks like that. Isn't that so cute? So cute. I love it. It comes with a little booklet in here, and it gives you a couple different ways on how you can use the ponytail, and you can curl this, which is also nice. As soon as they launched this, I was like, throw it in the bag. We're gonna go ahead and get started. I left my hair messy for this exact reason, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, and then I am gonna brush it out. I'm gonna be using my Monat Studio One Strong Flexi Hold Hairspray to snatch this hair back. So we'll go ahead and do that now. I wish I had mousse or gel or something, and I don't. So if you guys have mousse or gel, maybe I suggest you guys going that route as well. Normally I use scrunchies. Make sure that you use like an elastic that is strong and that'll hold your hair tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and just give this a really good shake. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just spray this bad boy on, and then the first layer I am gonna go kind of light because this hairspray is super strong. And then if you guys have a better brush, make sure you use a better brush. This brush is not the brush for this, but that's all I have right now. So I want my ponytail to be super slick, and I kind of want it high. I never really wear slick back ponytails because I feel like I have such a big forehead. It's kind of an insecurity of mine, so the fact that I'm doing this is kind of exciting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this baby down, and then as you can see, my ponytail is pretty short. I don't have a lot of hair, but it still looks pretty good. Oh, look at that. So we're gonna go ahead and just comb that back. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just pull out my ponytail. So this is what the ponytail looks like. Super pretty, super long. I believe this is 22 inches. What's cool about it is that it comes with like this Velcro piece on it right here, and then the ponytail extends out. So this is what you're gonna wrap around your hair so you can hide the fact that this is a Velcro. So I'll show you real close how that looks up close. And then the inside of it looks like this, and it has this little clip here. So what I'm gonna do is stick this clip into my ponytail. So now it's in my ponytail. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck this and then get this ponytail, push it through to the back, and then I'm gonna have my Velcros connect. I just heard it connect. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap this around here like this to make sure it covers that entire Velcro so it doesn't look like I have extensions in my hair, obviously. Okay, so there we go. And like I mentioned, the cool thing about this is that it doesn't show your little hairs. Look at it, you can't even see my short hairs back there. And then you can just, oh my God. Oh my God, I love this. Look how nice that looks. It looks so good. Okay, let's finish the look with some baby hairs. I'm gonna take my Sculpting Taffy from Monat and I'm gonna style out my baby hairs. And I'm gonna use a toothbrush specifically purchased for this. And then we're gonna go ahead and style out these baby hairs. I freaking love this Sculpting Taffy. It's so bomb. And a little bit goes a long way. Like I literally just put it on the tip of my toothbrush and kind of just brush out my hair. And then obviously when you're doing your baby hairs, you want to blend them back like that. All right, you guys, so that is my ponytail. I love it. You can curl it if you want. You can wear it straight. I actually didn't do anything. This is exactly how it came out of the box. Look how cute that looks. I love it. I think it looks so good. You guys, I'm honestly obsessed with this ponytail. I'm so excited. This is gonna be like my go-to look. And then obviously you can wear this out. It's super cute. I love it. Well, all right, guys, that is my review for the LUXY ponytail hair extensions. This is not sponsored in any way. I bought these extensions with my own money. If you guys want to purchase this, I'll make sure to leave a link down below and you can use my code to get a discount. All right, you guys, well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up if you liked it, if you want to see more videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the love. Bye, I'll see you later.